Hello
Hello,
guys, we're founders of VT Empire company. My name is Ali and this is my brother
My
Ahmed.
name is Ahmed. I am founder too of VT Empire and founder of this startup.
As you can see, we have a MVP of our technology named Space Transporter. Also, as shown in this video, you can see how it works.
It was shown on the video how it will docked and how it will catch space debris in the net. So we can see their name, Space Transporter, is our startup. There is a net that is catching a space debris. It can be undocked and docked. It can be docked like that. They will look like that a little bit. And when they undocked, they will catch the space debris. It will look like that. It contains 4 models. It contains 2 models. It contains 10 models. Doesn't matter. It's matter from the customer. Which you want, we can use any type, any size. It can it can remove a lot of space debris, a little bit, and he can look like that. It's CubeStat. In the first steps, we will launch a CubeStats like that. They can catch a little type of like space debris, and my brother will continue.
So this technology will save a lot of money to large companies such as NASA, ESA and others. So that technology will really help large companies to clean, to back their satellites back to Earth. So that's very important nowadays because there is a threat to our Earth of space debris that is may possible be dangerous to the
Yeah, I can see some dangers. I have a little bit there, the page deck, our page deck. You can also check that on our website, www.vtempire.com. We have a little bit danger. This space debris pose a significant threat to space exploration and the safety of our planet. Some of possible dangers are no modern technologies, no space launches, no quick communications, no satellites. We will not able to monitor the ecology of our world, and there is a huge threat because if we cannot monitor our ecology, we will miss all the problems of all the problems of ecology of our world, like no progress in any field, because in our world there is like all is contained with the satellites and Wi-Fi and quick communications. So it's very dangerous. Okay, you can.
I can, as I see in my pitch deck, I will continue why our technology is the main player, will be the main player nowadays. There is 4 companies: Astroscale, ClearSpace, Service Satellite Technology, and Laser Bloom. So otherwise, of other companies, our technology had
And we have some competitor
competitor
advantages.
advantages. Our space transporter can move back to Earth to repair and to move back to return some satellites
if needed from the customers. And
Right.
also you can check the video on our website or in our YouTube channel named VT Empire. You can shown in the video.
As shown in this video, you can see the work of our space transporter in the video.
as you see in the video, there is some how it worked, our space transporter. There is some, also we have cameras there to check from the Earth. Also we have there some debris catched already, and when they catch the debris, they can go dock, and they can go in another place, or they can return that on the Earth. Okay, I'll continue about the competitive advantages, please.
Yeah, the competitive advantage of our space transporter that he can back to Earth, as you can see, this satellite, if needed, he can be returned back to Earth. So if it needed, because such satellites cost a lot of money, and if needed for companies like SpaceX or NASA, for example, the materials of this satellite can be returned back to Earth because they cost a lot of money.
Yeah. So competitive advantages, I can say that right now, these we have like it is useful, reusable. Like this is a huge advantage. Then with our competitors, there is reusable. They can they can like drop the drop the debris in the earth, or in the place where it could be. It can return on Earth if needed, like repair it. This is like very huge advantage, because our competitors cannot return their satellites, removal satellites on Earth, and they cost a lot of money. Like they stay in the Earth, or in the space, sorry. So stay in the Earth and become the space debris. Like they should clean the space from the space debris, and they become the space debris. There's a huge problem right there.
Yeah, that's right. As my brother said, that's a huge problem, and our competitive advantage is really huge. So I want to say that our space transporter is protected by intellectual property. So at that moment, we already protected our technology in Russia, where we live now. So we protected it by intellectual property. We're making an MVP like this. So the work of this technology you can see all on the video,
Like we see shown like in the video. So also this transporter can huge competitive advantage. Our transporter, our startup, can move the satellites from one orbit to other. Like there's nothing else a startup that is working like us, because it is space transporter. Is cleaning the space, not like others, because our space transporter is the better competitor ever. So it can remove the satellites from one orbit to other, like working like a space tug. This saves a lot of amounts of money from the space companies. Again, this can be reusable. There's a huge two advantages. We have a lot of advantages, but we cannot have a lot of time to tell all advantages competitors. So this unique technology protected by intellectual property in our whole world. We're now in Russia, and our startup is started. So at the moment we're searching investors, I don't know, angels, investors, or someone else who wanted to be the first ever investor in the space company that will save the world from the space debris, these dangers and the threat to all the humanity. And be careful, if we cannot start our startup in 13 years, we have a nightmare, really nightmare. Okay, yeah.
So that's right, as my brother said. If the investor will not invest such a technology, the world will be in danger. In next 30 years, there is dangers that will be no internet, no satellites in our orbit. So that's a very dangerous situation. So if the investor will not invest in such a technology,
the deal is like, okay, So we're looking for investors for our technology. We're currently looking and we're active looking for investor. And if you want, okay, so then we will also have some prizes for our operations missions. The minimum cost of cleaning and transporting space debris is $2 million. But prices may vary depending on the customer specific needs. Like if they want a little size like this, CubeSat, little
yes,
CubeSat.
it's a little size of our satellite space transporter. The minimum cost of it will be about $100,000.
Yeah, and these big satellites is cost like minimum at $2 million, and also we can use any size. Like he can be like this and catch some debris like this. He can be any size.
Right.
If customer needs, there is a two. Like I showed, like it can be two like this, but they will be look like this because it's a prototype. So it could be like this. It could be 1, 2. They could be 10, 100, 1,000. Like
Right.
no problem with that. Only customer needs, like where our main goal is not to depend on money. Our main goal is to save the humanity. There is no reason for not having saving humanity, but we need also money for launching that because it's not free.
So, guys, you can check out all the information on our website www.btempire.com and check out our video, guys. So
Yeah, as we shown in the video. Thank you very much,
thank you
guys. Hope you will see us again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.